Howdy, it's Mr. Russell coming at you with naming covalent bonds. So, in the past, we have been looking at the ionic bond. That's had a metal plus a nonmetal. The metal was positive and the nonmetal was negative. And those bonded together in a mutual force of attraction. So the positive and negative would just attract to each other. We didn't use any prefixes before, but we always changed the end at the very end to IDE. So in a covalent bond, there's some things different, some things similar. There will be a nonmetal plus a nonmetal that will actually share their electrons instead of just attracting to each other. So they will not have any charges. There will be we'll use these Greek prefixes to see how many of each atom there is, and we'll change the ends to "ide" still. Now these Greek prefixes can be found here. So remember where you are in the periodic in the video, so you can go back to it. If we have one atom, its Greek prefix is mono. 2 atoms is di, and then tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, and deca. There are more, but you only need to know the first 10. So let's do some examples with with the same elements, but just different numbers of them. So the first one is going to be, I have 2 nitrogens and 1 oxygen. So that means it's going to be dinitrogen monoxide. Notice that I didn't write monoxide, because you see there's 2 O's here, and so we drop one of the O's just to make it sound better. So we'll use monoxide. Now that we don't have, in this one we have 1 nitrogen and 1 oxygen, now that we don't have 2 nitrogens in front, we can now drop this prefix. You can drop the prefix if it's the first one. So this one will be nitrogen monoxide. This will be nitrogen dioxide. This one will be dinitrogen trioxide. Dinitrogen tetroxide. Tetroxide. Along the same lines, this one was going to be tetraoxide, and you see how there's 2 vowels here, the A and the O, so we actually just drop the A. So that's why it's tetroxide. That's an O. And then this will be dinitrogen pentoxide. Really quick, there are 2 exceptions. These are so common that we don't go by the chemical name, we go by the common name. So H2O is not dihydrogen monoxide, it's just water. And NH3 is not nitrogen trihydride, it is only ammonia. So please memorize this one. I assume that you know H2O. Please memorize ammonia, NH3.